In today's video, we're actually going to test out FSD 12.5. It's our first drive video. So let's go ahead and jump in here and see what it does for us. All right, so we're gonna try to get this thing to come to us. I'm actually recording the screen as well. So FSD 12.5, something. We'll try to come out of my garage to us. So let's see what happens. Waiting for a clear path. Come on, baby. Come on, Megatron. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna come back further. Here we go. That is fucking beautiful.
That's sweet.
That was really cool.
I can't believe we made it out of the garage.
All right, so let's go ahead and do our first initial drive, test drive in FSD 12.5. So to prove that we do have it, if I go into software, go into release notes here. So there it is, FSD 12.5.2.1. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go to Starbucks, which is Main Street and Clarence is our closest one. It's a new one they opened up about a year ago. So about 11 miles, and I don't know if we're gonna try to have it come out of our driveway here, but we're gonna put it on in here and see if it takes us right out of here. It also is going to use this camera right here exclusively to watch me. I don't have my glasses on. I guess in a future update, they're going to make it so that the camera can look at your glasses and know everything's okay. I shouldn't have to touch the steering wheel at all, like to do the feedback. I should just watch my eyes exclusively and take us right there. So let's see if we can get this thing rolling. Let me get my seatbelt. Alright, so it's our initial drive on 12.5 and see what happens. Can I actually speed this up a little bit? Yeah. And we're coming up our first turn. Let's see what happens. The goal is to have 0 interventions all the way to Starbucks. Just getting started with 12.5. I guess right now, if you wear sunglasses, it's gonna yell at you. We'll see. So it's actually looking at my eyes right now. We're gonna throw my sunglasses on and see what happens. Attention, monitoring unavailable. Sunglass use detected. I'll pull them off again and then we'll get back. Okay, so it automatically made me, because it knew you had sunglasses on, we kind of go back to the old way where we have to actually give it a little bit of yoke feedback. So let's try one more time. Attention, monitoring active now. So I'll try to get that again. Yeah, you can leave the camera there. I'm gonna put my glasses back on. It should disable the attention monitoring. There it goes. So I disabled it. And then I gotta use feedback. Okay, cool. Bring it back real quick. So once you take your glasses back off again, go ahead and bring the camera here. It should automatically go back to looking at your eyes and re-engage the attention monitoring. Give it a second here. Oh, there it goes. Attention monitoring now is active. That's cool. So it's watching my eyes now. That's pretty cool. It's kind of a weird turn. It goes that way or it goes straight. Usually we put a blinker on to let the person know what we're doing. If we didn't do that, they're probably going to get mad. So in that situation, it's actually a curve or straight, and normally you'll put a blinker on letting the person know that you're staying straight. Obviously, Full Self Driving doesn't know that. The turn's coming up here at a stop sign. See how smooth it does. That was really good. Pretty quick too, it didn't really hesitate. We got another turn coming up here as well. That wasn't bad either, not really any hesitation. Stopping wasn't terrible, and we're good to go. So our next upcoming here, we have a really busy road. It's Route 5, Main Street we call it. So we'll film again once we get up there. All right, so it's the main road. Cars are going 55, 60 miles an hour or faster. Let's see how this handles out. Plus this looks like a blind corner a little bit with a couple trees that block its vision. So do not go yet. Or go. You better fucking go. Got a big ass truck coming. Excuse my language. Okay. Pretty good. Yeah. It got up to speed pretty quick. I'll edit up the we're still driving at FSD, going to Starbucks. We're in Clarence Hollow now. There's a stoplight up ahead. And so far, 0 interventions. We did have like a phantom braking event. Didn't really give us a reason why, but so far so good. Yeah, it's actually doing really well. Very smooth transitions around stop signs and turns, and yeah, they definitely did a great job so far. So we're gonna head down to Starbucks. We'll be there in about 6 minutes. Alright, so we made Starbucks safely. Megatron's out there hanging out while we get some Starbucks. What'd you guys think of FSD 12.5? Pretty smooth? Yeah. Sunglasses thing's kind of cool too, right?
We had to test the cover in the camera too.
Okay.
It said it would revert to toward face steering on.
Oh, okay, so feedback. Yeah, we'll try that on our way back through. So we're grabbing our Starbucks, heading back to our studio. It is in session, but it's not slowing down. We're still going 37. School's definitely in session right now, so we're in a school zone, and Megatron's like, screw it, we're just gonna go 40. Let's see how it come up on a stop sign, see what happens. So I wonder if, like, we won't do it now, but if we come to a stop sign and hit the blinker, if it'll actually try to turn for us and go down that road and reroute us.
Oh yeah. Is it gonna try to? Oh, it's gonna go left.
So we're gonna go up to Saul Road real quick, and we'll film at the next stop sign. Guys, I don't want to get too close to them to respect them. But what will FSD do? We'll try to go around the trash guys. Oh my gosh, it's going around the trash guys. Amazing.
Oh, sweet.
Like, how would you even know to do that? Like, in my mind, like, not obviously as a person, we know we go around trash guys, but how does FSD know let's go around this guy that stopped? That's interesting, because it might have been just a car that was stopping, right? So it must have been intelligent enough to know that's a trash guy, and it went around the trash guy. So we were making a left here on a kind of a busier road. That was pretty impressive. I'm actually impressed by that.
That's a new stack. I'm on
has to be
It's
there.
the combined stack.
So it's kind of a busy road, blind. A little bit of blind corners. You have to kind of creep out. There's here comes a Jeep pretty quick. The Jeep is turning. A couple cars coming out too. Again, it's a blind corner. A bunch of cars all of a sudden just will appear because you got trees and stuff in the way. Car to our right as well. Very patient, very patient. All right, looks like we're open. We did that very well. That was good too. Kind of scary because you see cars coming out of nowhere. Like, is it gonna go? Is it not gonna go?
That's the same thing with the truck or the trash guys.
Yeah, that was probably by far like the most impressive thing I've seen so far. Like it knew to go around the trash guys. All right, so we have. Let's see. This shows the biker on the left-hand side. Let's see if it visualizes it. It might not, because oh yeah, it does. It shows it right there. Cool. Okay. So I've had to actually give it feedback a little bit every once in a while. When it sees I'm not paying attention, it'll actually have me grab the wheel still, which is so it's not actually randomly having me grab the wheel like the algorithm from the old days. Just when you're not paying attention and it sees your eyes like not looking at the road, it'll actually like have you grab the wheel to make you aware, okay, I know that you're not paying attention. So it's so far so good. Fine, does really well. A couple cars here. And those we were up with that. Let's go. Did it quick, made the decision really, really quick.
Oh yeah. Sweet.
Awesome. Alright, probably a couple more. I'm gonna try to blinker on That's pretty cool. Alright, so I kind of wanted to change our route a little bit. I wanted to go a different direction. So as I got closer to the road, I actually blinkered. And it actually turned down the road and it rerouted us. So this road here is a little bit more curvier, and it'll test out 12.5 pretty good. So enjoy. Alright, so we're coming up on, this is a really fast road. This is 93, kind of a blind corner, cars fly out. We always like take extra care, extra time here. You can't even see any cars coming, so we get to be super careful. My foot's gonna be on the brake just in case. Look at that bad. I was autopilot almost getting us in a huge accident.
I was like, holy shit, this thing's really gonna go for it. I mean, it might have made it, but it's fucking.
It would have been really close. That car was flying. So that on that road, you're filming this still, right?
Yeah.
On that road, it is that road 93 on that corner. That's what Swift Mills and 93. That corner's super fast. It's 55 and people probably going 70. So it was autopilot was super aggressive, came out quick. We probably would have got hit, so that's why I have my foot on the brake just for that purpose. I had a little mini heart attack there. But yeah. Okay, so we just finished our first full drive on 12.5. It went very, very well till the very, very end. We hit like a blind corner. So it's basically 93 where we live. That's the route, Crossroads Swift Mills. And when you come across that road from the Greenbush side, it's really fast. It's 55, but people are going like 70. And there's a lot of like blockages. It's definitely blind. So you need to creep out, and look, and then go. So FSD 12.5 basically creeped out, looked, didn't see anything, and then just gunned it. But there was a car that so quickly would have ran into us. I don't know if we got it on film. We'll take a look at it so you guys can see it. That would have been bad. Luckily, my foot was on the right hovering the brake, knowing that could be a possibility. So, jeez. So 12.5 did really, really well until that at the very end, and it actually went around a garbage truck really well. Like garbage guys are doing garbage. It stopped and then waited for them to stop and then went around them really respectfully. So all in all, very good ride just at the very end. Oh my goodness. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Where's the Cybertruck at? There's the Cybertruck over there. See ya.